Okay, so let's look at dangling participles. Dangling participles, when things dangle, when words dangle in a sentence because they are not used and are left by themselves when they should be used. Yeah. So when, let's change this, maybe have that. When a sentence, maybe a bit bigger, when a sentence set up is going to use a noun but does not actually use it, then it dangles and does nothing. So a noun that is not actually going to be used. What is it for? What does it do? What is it for? What does it do? The noun at the start the noun at the start must then play a part in the second part. So noun is introduced, but it has to be used. Has to be in context of the sentence. So a smile. 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 Smiling. Smiling from ear to ear. Very good. The office confirmed his job. Okay, but who's smiling? Who exactly is smiling? Him? The office? Who exactly? So not quite. It's dangling, because we don't know who's using it. So no. Don't know exactly. Smiling from ear to ear, James's position was confirmed. Not quite accurate. Not quite right. It kind of works. But see, the noun introduced here needs to be next to the subject that it's applied to. So who's smiling exactly? Smiling from ear to ear, James heard his job was confirmed. Because in the second sentence, who exactly is smiling ear to ear? James' position was confirmed. Okay. But what's that got to do with smiling? Who is smiling? Who exactly is smiling? Who exactly is smiling? But in the third one, smiling from ear to ear, James heard his job was confirmed. His. Now we know. Now we understand. See, when you use a noun or a verb in a sentence, but it is unclear who the subject is that it is applied to, then it dangles. What is it doing? Just dangling then is idle. What is it doing in the sentence? What is it for? What's it for? So a dangling participle, nouns or verbs that have no clear use in the sentence. Who's the subject? Or even object even? What is it being applied to? What is it being applied to? Applied to. So smiling from ear to ear. Okay, who? The office. The office was smiling? Okay, not quite. Smiling from ear to ear, James's position was confirmed. Okay, so James, but who exactly is smiling? Who exactly? Smiling from ear to ear, James heard his job was confirmed. His. We know exactly who the participle is applied to. How cool is that, language explorers? No dangling participles here. Let's keep exploring.